why we have our chief guest. So over to you, Anvita ma'am, and you will be taking ahead.
Thank you, Swapnila ma'am. To start with, I want to heartily thank Swapnila ma'am, Tanushri ma'am, and Pegasus Academy to invite me here on this platform. I'm truly honored by this. I would like to talk a little bit about my journey as a software engineer. I grew up in a sheltered environment in the small city of Kanpur in India. And like many other young girls of my age, my world view was confined to my home and my school. Being the youngest among my siblings, in my younger years, I was mainly molded by the dazzling academic influences, such as my elder brothers, who were very focused and academically driven, and very supportive faculty at my school. I grew up with an unwavering confidence in my skills and believed that I could achieve anything. One weekend in my 6th grade, I watched a movie called Matrix, especially a character in there, a female character, Trinity, influenced me a lot. I found myself captivated and I was dreaming of constructing a matrix modeled around real world myself. I realized very late that the seeds of my interest in such forthcoming technologies like AI, neural network, etc., were sown at a very young age. Soon, my school decided to host the 5th Inter-School Cyber Olympiad, which ranked me top at the inter-school competition. And that gave me an immense confidence boost of I had my true calling. One of my favorite scenes from Matrix is when Neo, on finding that Trinity was a renowned hacker, exclaims, "I just thought you were a guy," to which Trinity responds, "Most guys do." So as I left home and headed to my undergrads in software engineering, I was exposed to the diversity of cultures, views, and opinions. I came to realize that collaboration among different cultures and people from different backgrounds was surprisingly a huge challenge. I began to understand these challenges in details and saw a lot of people coming from remote areas of India, different backgrounds, different level of financial stability. And I felt like somebody like me who had a privileged upbringing and a strong role model in my life had apprehensions about my potential. One can only imagine the struggle of one who has grown up without the same motivation and supporting background, basically. Therefore, I'm really thrilled and inspired by such great initiative being taken by platform like Pegasus Academy to bring together students from the variety of backgrounds on this one platform and host this hour of coding session to give all the children a glimpse of the upcoming innovative domain of AI. We go beyond all the boundaries of location, distance, and any other such limitations. So kudos to Pegasus Academy, Swapnila ma'am, Tanushri ma'am. You folks are doing a great job. I hope this collective effort inspires and motivates more and more children, their interest in AI and computer science in general. Today, I am a part of Microsoft Teams org, leveraging artificial intelligence in various areas to innovate and take collaboration tool to another level. I'm part of the Teams org. You all may have got a chance to talk to each other on Teams. I personally feel extremely excited by the prospect of building an emotionally competent technology that can respond to the user's need to collaborate, communicate, especially as a means to battle the health issues that stem out of extreme biases. Because we are actually using AI as a tool where it can do things like emotion detection and other such innovative things. So in nutshell, my journey from Kanpur to Microsoft headquarters in Seattle, I have personally jumped through a lot of hoops and battled personal devils like anxiety, phases of low confidence, but I've never lost faith in myself. To my wonderful audience here, let my journey inspire you to never lose sight of your dreams and to collectively push one another towards achieving goals. Today, let's dream about what we can change through technology, The future is ours. Believe in yourself and let's take our seat at the table. With this, I would like to switch my gears to talk a little bit about AI. Before that, Swapnila ma'am, Tanushree ma'am, if you want to talk about anything, otherwise I can go ahead and give a little bit introduction to AI technology in general.
Sure, ma'am. You can go ahead with that. Yes.
Sure. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is currently one of the hottest buzzwords in tech, and with good reasons, of course. So AI, in simple words, refers to the ability of machines and computer systems to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It is a field of study and technology that aims to create machines that can learn from experience, adapt to new information, and carry out tasks without explicit programming. AI refers to simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. So, briefly, I would like to talk about different kinds of AI usages, like how is AI being applied? I'll just give it in bullet points. Machine learning is one area, natural language processing is another area, computer image vision and face recognition is another area, robotics, expert systems, speech recognition, planning and decision making. These are the various ways we apply AI. Now we can talk a little bit about the industries where AI is making a deep, deep impact. One big area is healthcare. So you all must have seen devices like Fitbit, Apple iWatch. These devices are actually powered by AI behind the scenes, and they can easily monitor and notify abnormal trends. Not just this, AI also plays a role in deeper things in the health background, like ICU transfers, improve clinical workflows, and even pinpoint a patient's risk of hospital acquired infections. So you would be amazed to the level that AI has an impact on healthcare at this point of time. Other areas of AI usage and application are automobile. You all must have heard about autopilot technology. Is there something?
I have a request. Please mute yourself, all of
yes.
you. After the discussion with Anvita ma'am, you can ask any question or doubt if you have. Let her speak right now. Otherwise, it gets disturbed. Yeah.
So I was talking about the autopilot technology in self-driving cars like Tesla and other companies that are coming up with forthcoming technology like this. Banking and finance is another area where AI has a deep impact. Surveillance, the manual monitoring of CCTV camera requires constant human intervention. So they are prone to errors and fatigue. Now, AI-based surveillance is automated and works 24/7, providing real-time insights. So that's another promising area. Social media, you all use Facebook, Twitter. So these platforms are not just for networking and expressing oneself, but it subconsciously shapes our choices, ideologies, and temperament. We don't really realize that, but AI is playing a huge role in establishing recommendation systems and affecting the way we choose things, advertisements. So AI is making, again, a huge impact in the social media domain. Entertainment services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, again, use AI behind the scene for a lot of their recommendation-based viewing. Their content is managed. A lot of things are managed through AI. Education is a big, big area where I feel AI is making a really, really good impact. Case-based simulation offered by Harvard Graduate School is one of such uses. It is used all the time in, again, medicine field, observing models and psychological, mental, and physical well-being evaluations. Everywhere AI is being used and leaving a big mark. Space exploration is another area where AI is making a huge, huge impact. NASA is also working on AI applications for space exploration. Gaming industry is also being impacted by AI. Systems are powered by AI. and lot of things are making leaps and bounds with this great technology. Robotics, as we all know, is the has AI at its core. So robotics is another area. Some other very interesting application areas are like agriculture, where we wouldn't think AI could play a role, but actually it does play a very, very positive role in, like, you would not even know that AI can be used in agriculture for like attributing agricultural robots, predictive analysis and crop and soil monitoring to make sure that we make uh, like the growth of basically like enhance the growth in agriculture. E-commerce is another field where AI is making amazing impact. Uh, I would like to conclude this by saying that AI application has made wonderful impact and disrupted different industries. And I'm just looking forward and waiting for more wonderful things to happen in future. With this, I would pass it over to Swapnila ma'am and Tanushri ma'am to take on the Hour of Coding session forward, and let me know if there's anything else that I can answer for kids, any way I can contribute and help. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.